Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enter night mode on Lenovo Smart Display. And to do this, first we'll need to pair Lenovo Smart Display with Google Home app. I've shown you how to do that previously. Now that it's ready, we can move to the devices, select our display, then click on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen and move to notifications and digital well-being. Here you can find night mode, activate it, and you can also set when it's activated, you can set the schedule. So night mode is activated when your clock reaches 22 to 6 in the morning, and that way it will black out the display for the Lenovo Smart Display during that time. You can also set it for a specific day of the week and change the maximum volume of speakers during this night mode, and we can also enable or disable do not disturb mode during the night mode. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.